Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, home of the NOLA Southern Experience live dance weekend. Thank you for coming back each and every time to view this video. This dance I'm going to teach you, it is a classic. Instructor bringing you those easy peasy dances, those that you can call out on the floor when those new people come in your class. Very easy. It is a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. If you are located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please contact me at 504-251-0674. This is the instructional. If you want to dance along to this video, to this line dance, watch till the end and click on that video, and that is the music. That's the demo, and we can dance together. Make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up, and let's go. So we're going to stand on this side of the room here. This is an easy peasy, but we have some people that just walk in and off the street, and they are novice. They don't know anything about dancing, so this is a very nice, easy peasy to do. So this is, you're going to start with the weight on the left, and you're going to cha-cha with the right. Right, left, right, rock up and recover, come back. Left, rock back, recover. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7. Right up, right, left, up, recover, and left, right back, recover. Now we're going to do that same concept, but we're going to turn the body on the cha-cha. With the right shoulder coming forward, half turn. Right, left back, recover. And then we're going to come back with the left shoulder coming forward. Left, right back, recover. Again, so we recover, we come forward with the right shoulder forward. Right, left, right, left back, recover. That's a half turn. Then come back on the left, forward on the left. Left, right back, recover. So let's put both of those steps together with the weight on the left. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, up, recover. Left, right back, recover. Half turn. Right, left back, recover. Left, right back, recover. Okay? So let's put it to the count. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, rock 3, back 4, 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. Half 1 and 2, back 3, 4, left 5 and 6, rock 7, 8. Make sure you do those rock recovers. From here, we're going to do a quarter turn to the left. We're going to step on our right and start rocking. Right, left, 4 times. The weight is on the left, and the dance starts over. Okay? So step forward with the right shoulder coming forward. Quarter turn. Swing right, left. From here, the dance starts over. So let's put it together at this wall. That's the dance pretty much. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and right, left, up, recover. Left, right back, recover. Turn right, left back, recover. Left, right back, recover. Turn right, left. From here, the dance starts over. Moving forward with the cha-cha. Right, left, up, recover. Left, right back, recover. Half. Right, left back, recover. Left, right back, recover. Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just rocking for 4, and you're at the next wall, okay? That's Temptation Cha-Cha. Did I tell you the name of the dance? Temptation Cha-Cha. Make sure you check out the demo so we can dance together. Leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you think. Temptation Cha-Cha. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.